In this video, we'll collect the anonymous web form responses and save them directly into the Google Sheet, just like Google Form, but using custom HTML. We'll first create a new Google Sheet and add the required column header, then rename the sheet so it's ready to store the form responses. From the Google Sheet menu, we go to extension app script, which open the app script editor link to that sheet. Inside the app script, we add the required server side script and create a new file called index.html where we paste our custom HTML code. We also update the sheet name inside the script to make sure the data is saved in the correct place. Next, we deploy the project as a web app, set the access to anyone, and open the generated URL to test the form. After submitting the sample response, we check the Google Sheet and confirm that the data is saved successfully. Once everything worked as expected, we redesign the HTML form using Claude AI to give it a modern and clean UI look. We replace the old HTML code with the new design, save the changes, and publish the web app again. Finally, we test the new version of the form, submit another response, and identify that the anonymous data is correctly captured in the Google Sheet with the updated UI. And now we have a modern custom web form saving anonymous responses in Google Sheets.